We are now in Desaru. Desaru in Malaysia, Johor, about 1.5 to 2 hours away from Singapore. And the reason that we are here is actually now is a monsoon season. We need this monsoon season wind and wave to create or to simulate storm condition where when our landing and pitching point for our kayaks is in a stormy situation. Kayaking overall has been a hybrid of many things. A kayak that the hull is designed for river, and the sea kayak definitely designed for long expedition out at sea. Somehow slowly it has merged, and now it's not only merged between kayak river and kayak sea, it's now merged with kayak surf or surfing board.
My name is Kai, and this is my beautiful wife, Dalia.
Hi.
And we are happily married with 2 cats.
Yes.
So today we are in Tanjung Balau, Desaru. We are participating in kayak surf and simpang kopi, probably by Explora.
I've never kayaked before. I think the only time I kayaked